What's going on, guys? Colin here for SammyGuru, and today we're going to be taking a look at Beta 4 for One UI 8.5, which Samsung just released earlier this morning after a month of no beta updates. This is Beta 4 for everybody in Wave 1, so that includes me here in the US. If you were in Wave 2 for the beta, then this is going to be Beta 3 for you. We're going to take a look at some of the major new changes here, and most of those are going to be in the phone app. Actually, all of them are going to be in the phone app right now. Everything else is just going to be your usual bug fixes and performance improvements and that kind of stuff, as we are getting later in the beta cycle here for One UI 8.5, as we do expect One UI 8.5 to become public when the Galaxy S26 series is announced. So we'll hop into the phone app here, and we'll go up to settings, and this is a new feature called direct voicemail. And this is similar to like the live voicemail on iPhones, where you can automatically send calls to voicemail after a certain preset time. So 5, 10, 20 seconds. You can also do a custom time, which will let you choose between 1 and 20 seconds, 20 seconds being the maximum. And that will send it to the voicemail here directly on your device rather than your carrier's voicemail. And it will also let you transcribe the voicemails as somebody is leaving the call, so you can see it in text format if you're not able to answer. And then say if it's an important call and you read the text, hey, I need you to call me, blah, blah, this is going on. You can actually pick up the call halfway through the voicemail and start talking to them. Again, similar to what you can do on an iPhone when they start leaving a message and it starts transcribing it on the screen, and you're able to pick it up while they're leaving that message. So that is now here on the Galaxy S25 series, again on One UI 8.5. So very, very cool feature that they've introduced finally here in One UI 8.5. And then we also have, Jeff sent me a picture of this. I'll have to find out where it is. But call captions, you can see each person's text on the screen, so you can see what they're saying. So you can actually have a text, transcription if it's hard to hear, or if you're hard of hearing, or if you're in a noisy environment. And maybe you just didn't, hear what they said. You can look at this and actually see it in text format of what they said. So that is a pretty cool feature. Let's see if I can find it here in settings. Yep, call captions right here. I just missed it. So show what each person says on the screen during calls. Captions can be useful when hearing is difficult. If needed, inform the other person that the call is being captioned. So we can turn that on, and then you can choose your language right there as well. So a couple very cool new features here in Beta 4 for One UI 8.5. And we are again coming up very closely here on the Galaxy S26 launch at Samsung Unpacked in just a couple weeks. So if you're planning on getting a new device, make sure you check out SammyGuru.com. And our banner right here at the top will take you to the Samsung pre-order section, where you can see all the details for our mystery box. You can tap on the Galaxy S26 Ultra here, and you can enter your name, your email and your or phone number, and you can get notified when the links go live for pre-orders. Pre-order using our link, and you will get a mystery box that is guaranteed to contain these goodies right here. These goodies right here. All right, maybe not. A little technical difficulty there. Let me see if I refresh and try again. There we go. These goodies right here: phone case, screen protector, desktop phone stand like the one I'm using right now, cleaning kit, a 65-watt charger, USB-C wired earbuds, and each box is going to be customized for your device. So if you pre-order a Galaxy S26, you'll get S26 related cases, screen protectors, that kind of stuff. And if you order an S26 Ultra, you'll get S26 Ultra screen protectors, cases, again, that kind of stuff. And not each box, but random boxes, 1 in 10 will have Amazon or Google Play gift cards. 1 in 100 will have a silver ticket redeemable for Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, and 1 in 250 boxes will have a golden ticket redeemable for a Galaxy Watch of your choice. So great way here to get some goodies for your Samsung device. Most of the stuff that Samsung took out of the box, all you have to do is pre-order using our link, and we'll provide that for you. And then you also get a chance to win some random goodies here to complete your Galaxy collection. So make sure you check out SammyGuru.com for more articles on all this stuff, as well as join the Samsung Mystery Box program. I'm Colin for SammyGuru.